You click this tutorial because you want to figure out Canva quickly, and you don't have hours to waste clicking the wrong buttons. I've got you covered. Most people think graphic design is a frustrating, confusing process where you have to start with a boring blank white page and slowly build everything from scratch. But what if I told you that doing it the hard way is actually the wrong way? In this video, we are skipping all the confusing technical stuff. I'm going to show you the Canva cheat code that practically does the work for you. Let's jump right in. When you first log into Canva, there are menus, buttons, and options everywhere. It looks like a spaceship dashboard. Step 1 is simple. Ignore almost all of it. Seriously, don't look at it. You only need to care about this one purple button right here that says Create a Design. Click that. Let's say we want to make a cover picture for a YouTube video. This brings us to step 2, using the cheat code. Instead of staring at a blank white page and stressing out, look over here on the left side. These are templates. These are beautiful, finished designs that professionals already made for you. In fact, this is the exact shortcut big creators use but rarely talk about. Find one you like, click it, and boom, the hard work is done. Step 3 is just filling in the blanks. To change what it says, just double-click the words and type whatever you want. It is exactly like typing an email or a text message. Want to change the colors? Click the background. Click this little color box at the top and pick your favorite color. Want a different picture? Just grab a photo from your side menu and drag it right on top of the old one. Just like that, you have a completely unique design in less than 2 minutes. But wait, before we save this, there is one hidden button that takes this from looking like a cheap template to a custom professional graphic in exactly 3 seconds. Let's say you drop in a picture of yourself, but your bedroom or office in the background is super messy. Just click your picture, hit Edit Image up top, and click this magic button called Background Remover. Watch this. In 3 seconds, the mess disappears completely. Now, this is a Canva Pro feature, but this one tool alone is exactly why the Pro version is a massive time saver. You used to have to pay graphic designers a lot of money to do that for you. Step 5 is saving it. We are completely done. To save this beautiful new picture to your computer, go to the top right corner, click Share, and then click Download. Do not worry about any of those confusing file settings, just hit that big download button. Now you have a perfect picture. But Canva is just the beginning. If you want to know what other free tools the experts are using to create amazing visuals without spending a dime, click the video on screen right now for my top 10 best free photo editors that pros secretly use in 2026. See you there.